eastern part of Sicily. A fantastic place and a fantastic day. Let's go. We are in the alleys of the town with the smell of the sea that surrounds us. With a beautiful stone house with blue doors. The palm trees and the sea. Well, yes, we are in Sicily. Cannon. Pirates. You are warned.
In the past, Sicily was often attacked by pirates, of which the most famous of all was the feared Barbarossa. For this reason, the entire coastline of the island was supplied of control towers and cannons, especially in the 16th century. As soon as the guardians of the tower spotted the pirates in the distance, they immediately lit fires that warned the nearby towers, and in less than a day, the whole land was alerted this way.
Poof, poof, pant, pant. How warm it is, guys. Here, this is the sighting tower of Marina di Ragusa. Perhaps that cannon was just above it. Let's go down to the sea. Let's see. Hello, little boy. Hello to the beautiful mother.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm running Marina di Ragusa with this GoPro.
Okay. Sir,
Where are you from?
we're from Finland.
Finland. It's very different Finland from Sicily.
Yeah, exactly.
Because of the weather.
Yeah, that's the main difference.
It's cold now in Finland.
No, it's actually pretty much the same weather also there.
Okay. And you finish are white. She's white. You are white. Your skin. But
Yes.
you need some days to be black.
Yeah, that's what I'm
brown.
trying to do.
Brown.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay. Enjoy Sicily.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Do you say grazie in your language?
Kiitos.
Kiitos.
Kiitos. Arrivederci.
There are a lot of people in this beach. A lot of people from all over the world. And beautiful, wonderful. I'm looking forward to have a swim.
Here I am again on the waterfront. Down there is the island of Malta.
The smell of food. Should be spaghetti. Spaghetti with the tomato sauce. And aubergines. The pasta alla norma. They so call it the pasta alla norma. Okay, we are back to the promenade. Scusate, anche se non sembra sono un giornalista.
Mom, even if it doesn't seem like I am right, what are you eating?
A chocolate granita.
Where do you come from?
From Modena, northern Italy.
What can you tell me about Sicily?
The most beautiful place to spend a vacation.
Poof, poof, pant, pant. Look at those two over there. The young man has nice muscles, and she does yoga under a tree. Too curious, let's see what they tell me.
Noi siamo due artigiani, giriamo il mondo e adesso siamo venuti qua a fare
We are two artisans who travel the world. 4 years ago I rebelled against the system. I was an educator in juvenile prisons. I thought this was not a life. We bought a camper and we traveled the world, making jewels with stones taken from all parts of the earth.
Sì, lei è giapponese, si chiama Ai.
She's Japanese and is Ai.
Hi, hi.
Hi, Ai. Do you always do yoga?
Always.
Where are you from?
You miss something about Japan?
Yes, my family.
Oh, ai, that is hi.
Ciao, ai. Hi, ai.
Good idea. Now I will buy myself a camper and travel around the world.
Buongiorno, vi disturbo?
Sorry, am I bothering you? You are already in. Where do you come from? I am from Milan and she is Russian. What are you
Di
eating?
mangiare, vediamo cosa c'è di siciliano. Pomodoro. Ah, la scaccia. Quale scaccia avete preso? Melanzane.
Scaccia, a fish, and those are marinated zucchini with oil, lemon and salt. Then Sicilian dried tomatoes and provola.
Mi ha dato una buona idea per questa sera.
Listen, lady, the difference between Russia and Sicily?
Una domandona. Partiamo dal clima, eh.
Partiamo dal clima.
A big question. Certainly the climate.
Sono 13 anni che abito a Milano.
In my opinion, they're inside, they live one man, one woman and one child. Let's discover.
No, 2 kids.
Ok, ciao. Ella, excuse me. Io ora I'm running a Marina di Ragusa and I'm describing a Marina di Ragusa, running and meeting people.
Sì,
Oh, where are you from?
Australia.
Ma è vero che in Australia ci sono i canguri?
Certo. Kangaroo.
It's true that in Australia there are kangaroos,
E coccodrilli?
millions, even crocodiles, camels, and snakes.
È 1 milione di cammelli
Ah,
che stanno a distruggere tutto
E le
il
serpenti?
nella toilette.
ma è vera questa cosa?
But is it true that crocodiles come out of the shower? Yes. Are you kidding me?
Signora, mi scusi, mi sta dicendo questo, lei è italiana?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you from here?
Yes.
You know this gentleman?
Yes, by sight.
They say that in Australia, crocodiles come out of the shower. If there is a forest near a village, often small crocodiles enter the sewers and pop up in the bathroom.
Cecilia come Cecilia Bartoli.
Well, they became friends.
Arrivederci.
Still a smell of food and sea here in Marina di Ragusa. Here are the famous scacce, the typical street food of this part of Sicily. They are of all tastes. My favorite is potatoes, tomato and parsley.
Ok, finish. We are in the main square here in Marina di Ragusa. Now it's time to have a swim